a journey. Matsushita Konosuke actually borrowed a lot from the Japanese samurai spirit. As you know, samurais in Japan were the warriors. But if you were to look into the meaning of the word samurai does not mean to kill. The word samurai means to serve. If you've seen the movie The Last Samurai, I don't know if anyone has seen that movie Last Samurai, I would suggest कि आप इस picture को ज़रूर देखिएगा, The Last Samurai. It has Tom Cruise, but it doesn't have any of the glamour element, but it has a lot of learning. And I would like to start the session with a brief clip from the movie The Last Samurai that introduces Japan. So Matsushita Konosuke definitely gives a lot of credit to his philosophy and his success to the Japanese philosophy, the Japanese way of life. And similarly, I guess many Indian entrepreneurs, if they were to live the Indian philosophy, I'm sure they would also do very, very well, because Indian philosophy is also very, very powerful and very, very deep. But very few people obviously are living that philosophy. Matsushita Konosuke lived the Japanese philosophy. And when you see this brief video, I think it'll get you into the mood of Matsushita.
They say Japan was made by a sword. They say the old gods tipped a coral blade into the ocean, and when they pulled it out, 4 perfect drops fell back into the sea, and those drops became the islands of Japan. I say Japan was made by a handful of brave men. Warriors willing to give their lives for what seems to have become a forgotten word: honor.
Now, for a samurai, I think it's very, very important for him or her to live an honorable life. And so is the case for a business person. The moment a businessman or a woman does something which is not honorable, then he or she is no longer a businessman, right, or a woman. He or she becomes a con artist. It's very, very important for a business person to ensure that whatever he or she is promising to the stakeholders, customers or vendors or anybody else or employees, he or she will do everything he or she can to fulfill those commitments. And Matsushita lived by that code, that I would honor my commitments at any cost. Yes, on occasions he may not be able to meet his commitments on a certain timeline, but the reason why he succeeded was because he ultimately fulfilled on his commitments. And I think we Indians also need to learn that. Chuna lagana